Hey Lance, I just wanted to show you how to do this if Marcos ends up giving you his login um, to get into Salesforce so you can access those templates if you needed them right away. So if he gives you his login, like once you get into his account, then I'll show you what you're going to do just to make this easier on you. And then maybe, like we said, we'll get that fixed, or Marcos will get that fixed for you, or whatever we have to do. And at that point, you'll be able to just log into your account and use it. But anyway, so if you had to go in under Marcos's, it is showing up if I log in under you. And so you'll just go over here and not that switched. I was just kidding. Maybe it's this one right here. Yeah. So go to this little gear here and set up. And then if you go over here to users, click on this and then go down here to users. And it's going to bring up everybody that's within our branches. And then if you go down to your name, as I'm passing it, Tamar, then just log in. And that's going to log in as if we were logged in under you, as you can see right here. And then obviously, like, I'm just going to go in here just to show you where you can access this. So just like you do, just look up, whoever it is you want to send something to. And I'll show you where it's working and send a video, obviously, and all the stuff that you were doing. But I just want to show you where it was showing up. If you go right here, I believe it was, which I think you know all this, but I just want to show you where those templates were showing up in here. So all is good. Everything is in there if you do it this way. So maybe if Marcos doesn't mind, he can send you his login, and then you would be able to access those templates in that account and get those, whatever you needed for video and stuff. You could get those sent out today if you wanted. So anyways, I just wanted to show you, like, if you log in from his account, how it works and where you go again. And then when you get done, you can just log out. So again, you just, I'll go back to the start just to slow it down because I go pretty fast and speak gibberish. So again, if you're at that home screen, which we can do that, well, it doesn't matter, and you go to setup, it'll just take you back to the same screen too. And then, like I said, click on users, and then click on users again, and then just find your name and log in. And then from there, it's, like we said, business as usual. Look up any contacts that you want, or just go into your contacts tab and then just start pulling people up that you wanted to send videos to and creating those videos. But anyways, buddy, I hope that this helps. And like I said, if you want to do it that way, you can just get Marcos's login, and then that might be an easier way to do it for right now until we can get it fixed. But all right, have a great weekend. We'll talk soon. Bye.